Okay, if you are done with the pass and fade, now we go and calculate the symbols. When we calculate the symbols, we are also going to use that average. Our average is the one that it's determining as to whether our student they make it or they don't make it. So even on the symbols, we're still going to use the very same thing. See, that's the average that is going to make the determination as to whether this student has got this symbol, whether it's A or it's B or it's C. So as you can see in our paper here, what is showing here is they say in terms of the symbols, they say if the person has got 80 to 100, which means the symbol is A. If the person has got 70 to 79, the symbol is B, and then 62 by 69, the symbol is C, and then 50 to 59, the symbol is D, and then 40 to 49, the symbol is E, and then 0 to 39, the symbol is F. So this is what we are going to do. Now I want you to go and click on cell H2 so that you can be able to do that formula. And you must also prepare yourself some paper and pens so that you can write the formula, because the formula is too long and it's huge. And then you write it down so that when you go and keep on going through it until it gets into the bottom of our skull, where our brain is, so that eventually we are going to be able to live with it in our blood. We learn how to calculate it without referring anywhere else. Like I know, even if I can't get it here, as long as my neighbor here knows how to calculate it, then I will always refer to your neighbor. So you will have to, you write it down so that you we and then until you get it. That's how it is, what it's supposed to happen. So under symbol, if you're having your pen and paper there, and then let's start. Then let's do the equal sign there. Let's do then equal sign under symbols, which means you must go and click on the cell H2. And then after doing the equal sign, you type if. And then after if, you open the brackets. After opening the brackets, you go and select your average there, the amount that you got there. And then you're supposed to type that symbol as a heading there. Yes, I mean, like, you didn't type a heading here. Where are you heading? You can scroll and go up. Scroll and go up. Go up. Go up. You see? So which means you're supposed to start clicking there. And then I said, then I will repeat that thing again so that we'll be in the same page all together. Now, so that no one must be behind. We don't have to leave anyone behind, right? We need to go on the same page. And then it's equal sign. And then type if. And then open brackets. After opening the brackets, you go and select the amount that is there, or maybe the percentage that is on the average. Yes, that's 66 point something. It's our average. That's the one that we use to determine that those symbols. And then after selecting that one, you make greater than and equal to. So meaning you're going to say greater than equal to. Greater than equal to, and then type 80. Yes. 80. Because what is happening here, they said we are going to get the symbols then. Then we are going to begin from 80. Yes. And then from there, you make comma on your keyboard. After typing your 80, you make comma on your keyboard. After making your comma, or after pressing the button that comprises with comma, and then you make the open inverted commas. Open inverted commas. On some of the keyboards, they put open inverted commas after comma.
What is that?
That one. That one is comma. The one that you made now is comma. And then now we want the open inverted commas. Those quotation marks, the quotation mark. Have you ever seen when someone's it's writing the statement, and then when they want to quote, and they say now, and I quote. So you first by putting those two commas on top there. So we call them then open inverted commas or the quotation mark. And then you type, yes. So this is what I want to explain at the moment. On some of the keyboards which you have there, on some of the keyboards that you have then, there is the button that has an @ in it. An @ in it. I'm referring to some of the keyboards. The buttons that has an @ there, right? The keyboard that has an @ there, not where there's two. We know, we all know that according to the normal, I can say, I won't say it's a normal keyboard because they are all normal. We get an @ where there is two on the buttons that are on top there, right? You see that @ which we use on the email addresses. An @ that we use on the email addresses. So we have got, so in our keyboard in the keyboards that we have here, in the keyboards that we have here, we have got the button that has got that @ and that @ it's located somewhere there in the middle of the keyboard. Do you see it? Whereby those buttons are there, right? So instead of that @ there, there was supposed to be the quotation mark there. There were supposed to be those inverted commas there, right? So for you, your keyboard, it's okay. And then where it is supposed to be, it is there. And then where the quotation marks are where they were supposed to be. And then you're going to use it according to what you are seeing in your keyboard. Don't follow where the @ is. I'm referring to those whom their keyboard, the @ it's not located on the correct place where they were supposed to be situated, right? So in order for you to make the quotation mark there, you say shift first, and then you press shift and hold, and then you go and press that button.
Which one?
Yes. And then from there you type A. A. Remember, yes, A.
Small letter, capital S.
It doesn't matter. Even if you can make a small letter or you make the capital letter, it's still gonna be correct, right? And then after doing that, you say close the inverted commas. You are going to use the very similar button, the one that you pressed first. You are going to press it again. Now you are going to close the inverted commas.
So
You have typed A, right? And then you have to put your alphabet. You have to put your symbol inside the quotation marks, inside then the inverted commas.
So we press there again.
Now you press there again. Thank you. So after closing the inverted commas, you say comma again. Yes, we're still continuing with the formula. So after saying comma, you type if again. Say comma, after close inverted commas, it's comma, and then type if again. And then after typing if, you open the brackets. Yes, comma, and then type if. After comma, you type if. You type if after comma. And then after typing that if, you open the brackets.
Close or open?
You open the brackets. You don't close there. You don't close there. We do things differently now. Now we have taken another stage now. And then after if, you open the brackets. You don't close there. We are taking another system now. We are on. That's why I said you must prepare yourself with a scribbler and a paper whereby you are going to write this thing down, right? And then after doing that, after opening the brackets, you go and select your average there. Again, the very same value that you selected. Remember, we are on Dumisan, so we need to get as to whether Dumisan on that percentage which he or she got on the average. Is it B, C, E, D, E, or F, or maybe it's A? And then after selecting that one, you say greater than equals to, which means it seems like here you are repeating the very same thing that you started with. and then select the average. Select the average. Just go and click on 66.666666.